In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage difference in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your worksheet is ready for the calculation. You'll want to have two values entered first, your old value and your new value. These are the two numbers Excel will compare so you can measure the change between them. Keeping your data clearly labeled can also help avoid mistakes, especially if you're working with a larger spreadsheet. Once your old value and new value are in place, click on an empty cell where you want the percentage difference to appear. This will be the cell where Excel displays the result of your formula. In that empty cell, type the formula using the cell references for your data. The formula is equals, open parenthesis, new value minus old value, close parenthesis, divided by the new value. If you're following along with an example, let's say the old value is 100 and the new value is 150. After entering the formula and pressing enter, Excel will return a decimal result. In this example, that result represents the change as a fraction rather than as a percentage. So the next step is to format it properly. To convert the decimal into a percentage, go to the Home tab and open the formatting options for the selected cell. Choose Format Cells, and when the formatting panel opens, make sure you're on the Number tab. From the category drop-down, select Percentage. As soon as you apply that format, Excel will display the result as a percentage instead of a decimal. In the example shown, the final result becomes 33.33%. A helpful tip here is to double-check that you selected the correct cells in your formula before formatting. If the wrong cell is referenced, the percentage will also be wrong. It's also a good idea to adjust the number of decimal places if you want a cleaner result, especially for reports or presentations. For example, you may prefer to show 33% instead of 33.33%, depending on how precise you need the number to be. This method is a quick and reliable way to calculate percentage difference in Excel. And once you've done it once, you can easily reuse the same formula for other rows or data sets. And that's it.